doing, babe?
Hey, I'm not ready.
You're not ready?
We're on our way to New Orleans.
Are you excited?
I'm supposed to be more excited than I am right now. But I'm cold.
We are headed to New Orleans. We're gonna have a good time. We're about to go drink, party, eat, drink, party, eat. We're married. We're going to New Orleans because we're married. That's what we're doing, right? Because we're married. We're going to New Orleans. So we're gonna do our little mini honeymoon, and then the big honeymoon's coming soon.
Yes, this is just our fun little private time. Don't worry. In October, you guys will also be invited to the formal celebration and the formal reception on the run in Jamaica.
Yo, we're here in New Orleans looking for the Uber. Say what's up, babe.
Hi.
Yeah. So Uber out here just as much as the cab. So we're just gonna do what we gotta do. What you got there? What you got there? What you know about this right here? Yes, I'm on camera drinking. You're not supposed to do that. I don't care. She don't care. It's real. It's real life.
Cafe Du Monde.
The way she said it. Yeah. We're in line for beignets. We're in line.
We're here.
You're here.
Wait, we're close. I don't know where to look on this.
Just look in the camera. Right there, yeah. We're in line for beignets. We're gonna be here a while. We're gonna finish this while I'm here.
How swag. We bought these at the same time. We walked the same street. Sit through the same straw. How he finished his drink like this though?
You got like a little soft water.
Thank you.
Everything's just a little more smooth right now.
I bet after you just down that street.
So, I'm over here. I'm at the French Quarter. And we got this great Union statue behind me. Somehow, somebody got some beads on top of his head. Look at the picture. You see it? Isn't that great? Yo, we are having the time.
5 hours later, I still have the same drink.
Yo, look at mine though. Woo! I am all the way lit, bro. Like totally lit. Lit. The guy's trying to sell us beads, bro. We not buying beads. We earning beads. We earning beads. We earning beads. We earning beads.
Day 2 of our trip.
Day 2.
About to go get some drinks.
Zoom out.
And some food.
Food.
And then cut up.
Hell yeah.
New Orleans.
Lord, forgive me for my sins.
We are about to get barbecue shrimp that Ben has been talking about forever and ever and ever. So it better be worth it or else.
I've been telling her about this barbecue shrimp for 2.5 years. Every time she says New Orleans, I say, you gotta go to Janae's and get the barbecue shrimp. Only reason I know is because the Man vs. Food. Shout out to, what was his name? Adam, I think? Oh, whatever. No, we're ready for the Man vs. Food, whatever, blah, 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 barbecue shrimp. So we ordered the barbecue shrimp and this shrimp. I'm gonna share.
He better share. I shared my French toast with him earlier.
We didn't come in here with that plan, but I'm gonna share. I'm gonna share. We didn't come in here with that plan. It's okay.
Ben always shares when Ben wants to share.
Not true. I always share your food with me.
Exactly. He volunteers my food all the time.
Well, isn't your food my food?
Nope.
You're my wife.
Then that means your shrimp is mine and we're not sharing.
Shrimp?
Yep. So we did.
So we just went to Danae's. Beanies. Something like that, whatever it's called. We split the barbecue shrimp and the stuffed shrimp. So got a couple feelings, you know. Barbecue shrimp, it was amazing in college, but I learned to cook it, and
This is better.
might need to open up a Cajun restaurant or something.
Whatever.
Not my life. But it was good. It was still good. And the stuffed shrimp, man, those were great. Those were amazing. That's a different flavor I wasn't ready for. Tell them about it.
It was popping. He didn't want me to get it, but I got it anyway. And then he ended up eating all of my food with me. Mama knows best.
What's up? I'm here with my peoples. Hey! What up?
Hey, Jake.
DJ in the building.
Hey!
You gotta say something to the people.
Hi, y'all!
What's up, Jamila?
Hi, friends.
Here with Ben and Jamila. They're enjoying New Orleans. At least I hope so.
Oh yeah, you know so. We here, man. They just brought me these po' boys. I've been telling Jamila this whole time that you cannot buy one of these restaurant tourist ass po' boys.
Right.
Do not buy that shit. Po' boy like this big. The po' boy my bro and his wife brought me. That shit big as my forearm, yo.
They need to see it.
You right. You know, this is how po' boy is supposed to look. If your po' boy don't look like this, then cheating you. All that Popeyes po' boy, that Popeyes po' boy sound like this big.
Right.
Loaded.
That fishbowl, I made it a quarter way through yesterday. I was like, it all? There's still some in that fridge. Oh my goodness. I had to go sit down. I was like, babe, can we go sit down on the bench? I was like, I'm not gonna make it. I'm ready. I drank a little bit more. I'm good. This is too much.
You set up, bro.
I tried. I must be honest. I tried to prep her. We was taking moonshine shots, straight Appalachian moonshine in Philly. But when she got to this fishbowl, she was like, the viewers have already seen the fishbowl, because by the time this part comes up, they're gonna be like, we saw him finish it in the BA store, which is what I did. She actually never finished it, but it's okay. We mixed it with margaritas, and this morning it was just like, bang. She still has to finish her fishbowl. She's trying to get me to finish it. What you got in your hand? What's that? Show me. What you got? We got a racer. Oh, we racing? We racing? Is that what we doing?
Lord.
We racing? Okay, we doing it. I'm gonna catch you. 3, 2, 1. Hey, so we're here at the Pepper Palace. It's Desmond. We've been talking about hot sauces. So they got this stuff. It's called The End. Let's get close to it. The End.
Don't get too close.
Don't get too close. I'm gonna have to sign this waiver so I can do this. We're gonna do this.
Now, it's a grower, not a shower, so it's going to be more of a YouTube video than a Snapchat video.
Oh yeah, definitely. I've signed the waiver. Today is what? 26. I've been married to the camera lady for 5 days. 5 days.
Don't die on me now.
That's all I need, right?
Yeah.
This right here. Is it focused in?
It is.
You focused in on it?
Yeah.
Tap
No.
it right there. Boop. This right here is death. It's also the end. The end. Here we go. Delonte, this is for you. 8 pepper spray.
Breathe out of your mouth. Do not breathe out of your nose.
All right, Ben. So tell me how you feeling right now.
Oh, my stomach feels like it has lava in it.
Did you puke on the cop car?
Almost. I can't even talk. All right, I have recovered from getting my insides burned out. So I'm gonna show you the hot sauces we're getting. We're at Pepper Palace. We're going with the Tricentennial.
Oh, this song should have been playing earlier. This is for you.
Boom. We're going with the Who Dat. That's the Who Dat hot sauce, right?
Who Dat, yeah.
That's the Who Dat. That's for fish. That's Jamila's. It's a 2. We went from the 8 to the 2. Then we went with the Red Hot Lover. And finally, oh, I'm still recovering. One of these other ones, I don't remember. We also got some French Quarter Creole, Low Country Cajun, and I think that's it. We're gonna talk to our friend. He's gonna tell us what we need to do to cook some really dope shrimp. Tell him who you are.
I am Desmond D'Angelo. This is Pepper Palace. This is Who Dat. Who Dat is very much the most unique to New Orleans sauce that we make, in that barbecue sauce in New Orleans doesn't work with shrimp if it tastes like a brisket sandwich. So
You hear him?
this barbecue sauce right here is for barbecue shrimp. Barbecue shrimp and grits specifically is what I use it for. Do a reduction of this, rosemary and Guinness, toss the shrimp in that, and then serve it on top of rosemary buttered grits. And then pass out from food baby time.
I love it. Yo, we're back in Philly. She got the bag. I didn't miss it because she got it. Because she got my bag. Because she my woman.
Growing up, this is the only thing Mary Alice knew to cook with, Italian seasoning. She put Italian seasoning on everything.
She posed like it was a picture.